Hey there, folks. Welcome to this quick guide on setting up Autopay for your Citi credit card in 2025. If you're tired of manually paying your bills and risking late fees, Autopay is a game changer. It automatically deducts your payment from your bank account on the due date, helping you stay on top of your finances effortlessly. Today, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, so you can get it done in just a few minutes. First things first, make sure you have your Citi credit card login details handy. Open your web browser and head to the official Citi website or open the Citi mobile app. Once you're there, log in to your account using your username and password. If you haven't enabled two-factor authentication yet, it's a smart move for added security. Do that now if you can. After logging in, navigate to the Payments or Bills section. This is usually found in the main dashboard or under your account settings. Look for an option that says Autopay or Automatic Payments. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to set up your payment preferences. Next, select your payment source. This could be a linked bank account or another card. Choose the full payment amount for hassle-free coverage, or opt for the minimum if that's your preference. Double-check the details to ensure everything is accurate. Nobody wants surprise deductions. Now, confirm your setup. You'll likely need to verify your identity or agree to the terms and conditions. Once that's done, hit the Save or Activate button. Citi might send you a confirmation email or notification, so keep an eye out for that. And just like that, you're all set. Your Autopay should now be active for future statements. Remember, you can always check or modify this in your account settings if needed. If you run into any issues, Citi's customer support is there to help. Reach out via chat or phone. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more finance tips. Stay smart with your money, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.